epoch. Yuga is Krita, Treta, Dwapar, Kali Yuga. Save sect in ancient India. Matta Mayura. Ardh Ardh Ardhanarishvara, a figure of half Shiva and half Parvati, represent union of God with his Shakti. Who were Niners Shiva? Who among the following was not Albert Saint? Tirugayan, Pogai, Puddum or Tirumangai. Albert Saint. Will Tirugayam is not Albert Saint. Vaishnavism was propagated by Albert Saint of Tamil Nadu. Who was the only female sadhvi among the Albert Saints? Andal. Who contributes the most in the development of Bhagavad sect? Gupta. Originator of Bhagavat religion? Krishna. Which of the following epic has primarily mentioned Krishna, son of Devaki? Chandogya Upanishad. First to worship Vasudeva Krishna. Bhagavat. Who among the following deities is represented in the art as holding the fluff? Balaram. The number of forms of bhakti in the Bhagavad cult is 9. Besanagar inscription of Heliodorus is associated with Valni Vasudev. Earliest archaeal evidence related to Bhagavad religion is Besanagar inscription of Heliodorus. Earliest known epigraphic evidence of Bhagavatism, Garuda pillar at Besanagar. Heliodorus Besanagar inscription, Takshila. In which incarnation of Vishnu is depicted as saving of earth from the sea? Varaha. Distinct feature of Nastic and Astic system. Belief in authenticity of the Vedas. Which one of the following gives equal importance to Jan Karm Bhakti as a means of liberation? Bhagavad Gita. Main teaching of Gita. Niskam Karm Yog. In context of Indian culture, who among the following is called Ananang Kama? Which of the following is not included in Prasthantarai? Bhagavad. Ancient place where the narration of entire Mahabharata was read in the conference of 60,000 hermits. Naimisranya. Which kind of Ramayana describes the first meeting of Rama and Hanuman? Rishi Kanda Kand. Kalika Puran associated with Shaktism. Shiva Trident, Vishnu Chakra, Ganesh Rope or Noose, Saraswati Veena. Rath Yatra at Puri, celebrated in honor of which Hindu deity? Lord Jagannath. Kumbh Mela at Nasik held on Godavari river. Nathpanthis or Siddha yogis made devotional religion popular in northern India. Jainism Pavapuri, Hinduism Varanasi, Islam Medina, Christianity Vatican. Earliest extant coin of India were Panch coin or Arhat, silver coin. Which among the following is not correctly matched? Kosala Ahichatra. Capital of Kosala kingdom was Saket or Saravasti. Anga Champa Matsya Kausambi Matsya Viratnagar. King or state? Pradayot Avanti. Udain Matsya Prasenjit Khosla Ajasatru Magad. Chand Pradayot was the ruler of Avanti. The epigraphical evidence reveals that under the instruction of Nanda, king, a canal was dug in Kalinga. Ancient name of Ujjain, Avantika. Matsya Avanti, Vatsya Anga. Ancient city which mentioned in Mahabharata and Mahabhasya both. Madhyamika and Viratnagar. Who founded Patliputra? Patliputra founded by Ajasatru. Successor Bimbisar Udayan shifted capital of Magad to Rajgiri to Patliputra. Capital से Nag dynasty, Nanda dynasty, Maurya dynasty. True region of Patliputra, the capital of Magad kingdom. Patliputra was surrounded by river Ganga in north and 5 river Son in west. Which ruler made Patliputra the capital of his empire for first time? Chandragupta Maurya. Who among the following kings had founded Patliputra? Ajasatru. Patliputra Udayin, capital first time. South of Ganga, Magad. Legend of Udayin Basabadatta is related to Ujjain. First Magad Empire rise in 6th century BC. Powerful city of state in India in 6th century Magad. Earlier republic, not earlier Ayodhya, Sakya और लिच्छवी था. First public of the world was established in Vaishali, Lichhavi. First republican city of the world during 6th century BC, Vaishali. Pair is correctly matched. Chetak, Lichhavi. 16 Mahajanpad. Which Buddha text was described 16 Mahajanpad? Angutar Nikaya. 16 Mahajanpad Angutar Nikaya. 16 Mahajanpad Angutar Nikaya. 16 Mahajanpad Magad Asmak Kamboj. बुद्धिस्ट लिटरेचर से मैं है. 16 ग्रेट स्टेट शोधसा महाजनपद ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया आकर अंगुत्तर निकाय और भगवती सूत्र. कैपिटल ऑफ नॉर्थ पंचाल अहिचात्रा. 16 महाजन. मथुरा वॉज कैपिटल ऑफ सूर्यसेना. चंपा वॉज कैपिटल ऑफ अंग. सुक्तिमती कैपिटल ऑफ छेदी. महाजनपद सिचुएटेड बैंक ऑफ रिवर गोदावरी, अशाका. मत्स्य महाजनपद लोकेटेड इन राजस्थान. कैपिटल ऑफ मगध, राजगिरी. इनिशियल कैपिटल ऑफ मगध, राजगिरी. फर्स्ट कैपिटल ऑफ एंशिएंट महाजनपद मगध, राजगिरी. Which city served capital of ancient Magad? Rajgiri. Not capital of Rajgiri. Not capital of Magad. Kosumbi. Town configuration of ancient Saraswati. Saravasti. Presentic. Which initial ruler Magad killed his father for enthroning and also killed his son for the same reason? Ajasatru. Founded Haryanok Bans in ancient Bimbisar. Ajasatru, Haryanok dynasty, Haryanka dynasty. Prince who responsible for death of his father Ajasatru. Bajji into the empire Magad. Assimilated who? Ajasatru. Power of Magad was extended over Malwa region, Shishunag. Founder of Nanda dynasty, Mahapadmanand. Ruled Magad after Shishunag. Shishunag के बाद Nanda. Which king of Magad is also known as Apuro Parsurama? Mahapadmanand. Made Varanasi his second capital. Mahapadmanand. Which dynasty Magad after Nanda? Maurya. Evidence of King Nand, Hathi Gupa inscription. Magadhan dynasty in the chronology. Haryanak Nanda Maurya Sunga. Jivika, the famous physician of the time of Mahatma Buddha, was associated with the court of Bimbisar. Physician Magad, ruler Bimbisar, who was Jivika. 6th century BC, great upheaval of all part of the world. Vedic religion had become very complex. Town of Kalpi is situated on Yamuna river. Kuru Indraprasth, Panchal, Ahichatra, Kosala Saket, Vatsya Kausambi. नहीं Vatsya Kausambi. मत्स्य विराटनगर, कुरु इंद्रप्रस्थ, सूर्यसेना मथुरा, अस्मका पोटान, अस्मका गोदावरी, कंबोज, काबुल, अवंती, सिप्रा, नर्मदा, कोसला, सरयू. Not related, not correctly matched. See, सूर्यसेना कौसंबी, सूर्यसेना मथुरा, कोसला सरवस्ती, कंबोज हटक, राजपुर, अस्मका पोटन और पट्टिल. हाउ मैनी महाजनपद आर लोकेटेड इन प्रेजेंट उत्तर प्रदेश? उत्तर प्रदेश में 8. कुरु, पंचाल, सूर्यसेना, मत्स्य, कोसला, मल्ला, काशी, छेदी. Which one of the following is not true about Sarini system of India? Sarini system was prevalent only in northern India. Sarini was the organization of trader and artisan. Quality and the price of the produced good were determined by the condemned Sarini. Sarini used to control conduct of its member.